Get ready to be blown away. Witness epic concert moments from history in jaw-dropping photos. Step into the legendary performances of the past. In February 1954, Marilyn Monroe delivered a series of riveting performances in Korea. The iconic starlet enthralled over 100,000 American soldiers for 4 days with her hastily yet masterfully crafted show, Anything Goes. Capturing the frenzy of Elvis's early fame, an unidentified teen fan was photographed screaming passionately at his concert in Philadelphia on April 6, 1957, epitomizing the cultural phenomenon known as Elvis mania. Thrilled young female fans, overtaken by the intensity of watching their idols, the Beatles, perform live in Plymouth in 1963. The start of Beatlemania, a global frenzy led by predominantly teenage fans during the British band's rise to fame. The first Central Park concert by the New York Philharmonic on August 10, 1965, made history, attracting over 70,000 people, establishing what would become a cherished tradition of free outdoor orchestral music performances in NYC. Jim Morrison was arrested mid-concert in New Haven, Connecticut in 1967, marking the first time a rock star was arrested during a performance. On October 14, 1968, Jimmy Swarbrigg, the star singer of the famed Mullingar show band The Times, experienced the adulation of enthusiastic fans swarming around him at the Television Club on Dublin's historic Harcourt Street. Woodstock, 1969, saw an unexpected influx of 400,000, turning a music festival into a symbol of counterculture movement with impromptu community sharing food and shelter, giving birth to an iconic peace and music event. The infamous 1969 Altamont free concert turned tragic when Hell's Angels, serving as security, fatally attacked Meredith Hunter during a Rolling Stones performance, symbolizing the end of the idealistic 60s peace and love ethos. On March 26, 1973, an electrifying Alice Cooper concert captivated fans at Boston Garden. The rock pioneer's distinctive theatrical style was on full display, adding to his legendary status. In July 1978, famous figures like Muhammad Ali, Marlon Brando, and Stevie Wonder united in support of the American Indian movement at the Longest Walk concert in Washington, D.C., making a significant cultural political statement. In August 1980, Freddie Mercury, the legendary frontman of Queen, rendered a memorable encore at the Summit, Houston, Texas. The highlight, Mercury theatrically riding atop Darth Vader, captivating the audience. Renowned reggae legend Bob Marley held his final concert at the Stanley Theater in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, on September 23, 1980, shortly before his untimely death. In 1982, amidst a torrential rainstorm at the Locham Festival in Holland, the Clash concert evolved into an unexpected stage invasion, with nearly 500 fans seeking refuge on stage, turning the gig into a memorable collaborative spectacle. Run-DMC, the trailblazing rap group, performing at a 1986 Madison Square Garden benefit concert combating crack cocaine epidemic, captured by Chester Higgins, Jr. Half a million rock fans flocked to a Soviet airfield for the massive Monsters of Rock concert. AC/DC, Pantera, and Metallica headlined the show, hailed as a gift to the Russian youth for standing against a recent coup. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more captivating history, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.